Hi everyone, I'm Deboshri. I have finished my course of cabin crew and ground handling from Skylark Institute of Aviation. This course has been extremely beneficial to me as it has introduced me to the world of aviation. It has helped me develop my personality and has given me a lot of confidence in presenting myself and being a more confident individual. As it is used to groom myself a lot. Also, I've started improving and trying to improve my communication skills. I really like the way each and every type of customer is described, and the details given about how to analyze their thinking and their thought process and how to communicate with them much better. It is not only applicable to customers in this case, but also to daily life people that we meet. I would like to advise students. This course itself is a very beneficial course because it grooms a person in each and every subject. So the course was very detailed and elaborate. Assignments were very subjective, and they helped me assess the knowledge that I've gained from the course. It's been very interactive. It's perfect, I would feel. The interview skill module was very helpful and detailed, and there were pointers and tips. Those are small things, but sometimes they go unnoticed. But it has been taken care to point those things out. So as I'm also a working professional, I could do this course from home. So now I basically want to do a course on airfare and ticketing, so I get more knowledge and I'm more aware of how to go about the process.